Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first we need to go to your WordPress admin panel and then we need just to go to WooCommerce and from here we go to extensions. And basically all we need to do is to search for the product filter plugins or extensions that would add this feature of filtering your products in WooCommerce. So from here we can find WooCommerce Marketplace and basically as you can see, there is already a product filters for WooCommerce here as a plugin. And basically, this is a tool to create product filters that make the process of finding products in store simple and fast. Another way to do it, we can just go to plugins, and basically, I'm just going to click on plugins and then click on add new plugin. And after that, I'm just going to click on the products. I'm going to type products filter and we will need to search for plugins that we will be adding to our WooCommerce store. And let's just wait for the page to reload. And from here, we can find filter everything like products filter and WordPress filter. And you can use this one. You can use the Ajax products filter or the one in that we find in extension. So basically in this video, I'm just going to stick to this one and I'm just going to click on install now and you can go to screenshots for example here to see on how you can start filtering your products etc. So I'm just going to activate my plugin here and basically I'm just going to wait for the plugin to be activated and here we can uh, go and find the filter sets and you can start adding a filter sets to start filtering your products etc. And basically all you need to do is to start filtering your products and then you will need just to click on add filter and then you can start filter by your categories. So basically in each product you will be having categories, tags, attributes, etc. So basically you can choose filter by. For example, I'm just going to filter by product type and you can give it a title like WW and I'm going to click on add filters if you want to add any other filters. I'm just going to delete this one and basically now we are having our filter. So you will need just to publish your filter. I'm just going to click on publish and then we will need just to go to visit store and normally it should be added. And basically it will need to be added to buy in your shop and then go to your carts and you will need to start having the panel if it was added by your themes. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.